Hello friends, welcome to a series of videos on high performance computing. So these are videos which we have created prior to using advanced tools like OpenMP, CUDA and machine learning. The basics of Linux has to be known. So today we will be discussing about the alias command. So the alias command is very simple to understand, but it is a very useful command. So prior to discussing that, I have logged into one of the Linux servers, and you can see the IP address of that is from lowermost line, fourth line, 192.168.1.100. And I clear the screen, and now you are in this directory root. If you see, we have so many files in this, so many directories in this, etc., etc. So let us create a directory called just a test directory. In this we can we can create directories like test1, then test2, then test3, so many files. And also in test1, if you go, you can create directories like make directory test1 1 1 2 1 3, etc., etc. So now if you see ls minus r, it will show how the files look like. Its hierarchy is like this. Now, when all these files are there, now the biggest trouble usually what people face is, like if you go to the original directory of this by tilde, that means like present working directory. This, if you see here, there may be in root, there are so many users, so many files, etc., etc. If you want to backup of the home directory, for example, suppose you want to take a backup of the home directory, there are many users in this. And permissions of all the files are also different. Joby has got, for example, if you go to Joby, if you go to any file there, you see that the owner and group all are Joby only. Whereas if you go to Joby 2, Joby 3, then there is no file. Suppose I create a file ABC here, you can see that the owner of this particular file is root. So there are different users right now, and all these files have to be with the permissions have to be copied. In such case, usually what we can do is, suppose you want to create a copy of all these files into a directory called backup. Suppose I say I make a directory called backup, and I want to copy all these files. So one of the commands which we can apply is -pvr. So -pvr will the permission, verbose, recursive, everything will be hierarchically copied. So I can say /home /star into, I can say into copy into this. See, it is copied. See that it is copied in this particular directory. It's called So the command which I applied was to backup. So we can go and see in the backup what has been copied. See, all those things have come here. So now you see all the permissions will remain as it is of the original thing. Now suppose my cp minus pvr is a good command, I like it, and I want to rename this command. So one method is alias. Then you can simply give, I will give my name Joby copy and equal to, I will say cp minus pvr. See, together it has come. So we can give a command like this. So I think the syntax is different. It has taken that Joby copy. Now onwards, Joby copy means it is. So I can simply say Joby copy instead of. So I can say Joby copy slash home slash star to, I can say, I can copy into any area wherever I am interested into. I can give any file this thing, and we can like for example we can give in this directory. So I can see, go to root, and I can say test directory. All those files have been directly copied. So I can rename the command like this. That is the beauty of this particular command. Thank you.